Hi there, it's Lisa here, back with another weekly setup from my December bullet journal. I've decided this is the week before Christmas, and I used to do 2-page weeklies all the time, but I did feel that they kind of waste paper to me. So I reverted to 1-page weeklies for the last couple of months. But I decided that because I use my weeklies to generate a full and meaningful to-do list, I thought I'd go with a 2-page weekly for the week before Christmas, because that'll be the week that probably sees me doing all that last minute running around and getting to the shops to buy the odd thing here and there. So I decided with a 2-page weekly for this week. I've also gone with a 2-page weekly for my Christmas week as well, so be sure to watch out for that video that's coming. So I've continued with the green and red theme that I've pulled through all of December. The thing I like about 2-page weekly, it gives you a lot of space at the top for your date title. So the setup that I've gone for this week is one of my favourites that I used to use. It's really simple. As I've said in previous videos, I like my boxes to fill in, so you'll see that this setup captures that. It also gives you some space for a quote, which is what I've put in the bottom here. And using my Pigma Micron pen to go in with the lines. It literally dries within a couple of seconds, and once it's dry you don't get any smears or ink pulls across your page. In retrospect, I wish I'd rounded off the corners for this one. As you can see, lots of space for each day. Just erasing pencil. So I highly recommend, if you're using the Tombos and the Micron pens together, to go in with the Tombow first like I've just done, and you get no smearing or blurring at all. I find if you do it the other way around and going with the Micron pen first and then Tombow over the top, it can pull the ink across. There we go, some more of that stocking washi tape. I'm sure I'm going to run out before I get to the end of December. And how I'm doing what I've done on most of the other pages as well, just going in with red and green dots effectively to fill in the blank space. And I found this really effective, just gives it a little bit of a extra touch. And now just going in with some bullets to capture my to-dos. Sorry that the focus keeps going out. I think it keeps trying to focus on the top of the pen. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I look forward to going back to using a 2-page weekly. I might pull that through to January. We'll see. And be sure to look out for my Christmas week page, which is coming really soon. Take care.